Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, then welcome as well. I wanted to get in here really quick and just make this quick video. I am literally just sitting down here in my room, in my carpet. I just got here, I just got home because I went to go pick up something that, as you can see in the video title, I am super happy and excited about this. Oh my god, I can't wait. So I finally got my hands on the Canon EOS M50. This is actually a very early birthday gift, so I am super blessed, super happy, super excited. Let's get started with the video. So as you can see behind me, I have the battery already charging. I had to actually unbox it already in a way for me to get that, so that way I can show you guys you know, the difference between the phone and this camera, the quality, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, okay, so so the camera does come with the battery charger, and then it comes with the battery itself, and then you just basically put it in there and then you plug it in. Another thing that comes with the camera is this strap, so that we can carry the camera. If I want to carry it with me, I can just, you know, wear this. Since I do YouTube videos, I thought this would be a good camera to actually start myself with. Also because I love taking pictures, love taking videos, be able to save memories of my family, my friends, and I. So that's why I really wanted this. I love traveling, and so I thought, you know what, I really need to get myself a camera that I'm able to take with me everywhere I go when I travel, so that I can create memories, videos. Yeah, that's why I decided to go with this one. So this is the lens. It's the 15-45 millimeter kit lens. So this is the lens that comes with it. So okay, I'm gonna put this over here. And then this is the actual body of the camera. Look at this beauty. Isn't it gorgeous, you guys? I am in love. So pretty. Oh my god. Look at that. It opens. Voila. And then that's the screen. So this screen, you can actually flip it, and then I can do that if I want to, but we're just gonna, for now, we're just gonna keep it this way. There we go. I decided to get this one because for this one, you can actually plug a microphone if you want to. In the G7X2, you're not able to do that. So for me, I said, well, I think that would be important, especially if I'm making videos for YouTube, then that's something that I would be interested in. So you actually have the, I guess you can put your mic, you can plug it in here, and then you can just attach it over here as well. And then another thing, this one and both the Canon G7X2, they actually do connect to Wi-Fi. And there's actually a Canon app that I'm gonna actually have to download in my iPhone, because if you're connected to the Wi-Fi and you have that app, you can actually transfer the photos from this camera into your cell phone. So that makes it easier for social media uploads and stuff like that, you know. So I'm really excited and happy about that. But anyway, let me see, what else can I think of as far as features? I don't know, I can't remember. I should have made a list, but like I said, this is like a last minute thing. I just got this and I'm gonna be busy these next few days, so I'm not gonna be able to record this. And I do want to use this, obviously, so I had to do it today, right now. Anyway, let me talk about, ow, you know when you're like, oh my god, my foot fell asleep. I also got this memory SD card. Let's talk about pricing. The price in the camera, it's $649 with 99 cents. that's for the body, so that's for this, so that's for everything that came in here. And then the SD card, the memory card, that was $24.99. It was $47.99, but they had it on sale and it had a discount, so it was $24.99. So in total, it was $800 with 49 cents. Yay! I am ready to actually change from recording from my phone to the new camera. Okay, I can't believe this is actually my last video slash vlog style video that I'm recording with my phone, and now I'm gonna be recording on my camera. Oh my god. Okay, you guys, ciao, see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so right now I am using the Canon EOS M50. Right now I'm really trying to look at the quality, and I absolutely love it. It is 8:58 already in the night, so it is dark outside. So I am using my Impressions vanity lights right now all the way up. Yeah, I absolutely love it. Oh my god, I love it. I hope that you guys are able to tell a difference when it comes to the quality. And let me try zooming you guys in so that we're able to test that out. So let's get quite close and personal. Oh my god, you guys, my makeup videos are about to be fire. I'm just kidding. Yeah, don't mind the little makeup here that I have. It's some mascara. So don't mind that. And then let's zoom you guys out. Voila! Okay, now I want to try the autofocus. So let's try that. Let's see how that works. Let's see. Wow, that was pretty fast, don't you think? Because it'll focus on the item and not at me. Wow. Okay, let's try another one. Nice. You see that? It blurred me out and it's just focusing on this. Oh my god. Okay. One more. I feel like a little girl playing with her new toy, like I said. Wow. Okay, my hand is shaking. That's because, yeah. Anyway, if you're thinking about getting this camera and you have, like I said, any further questions, comments, just let me know. Feel free to leave your comments down in the section below. If you guys are not subscribed and you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And then what else I was gonna say, make sure you guys check out my other video, my Impressions vanity video, if you guys are interested about when it comes to the lighting that I have right now. Make sure you guys check that out. And other than that, I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.